Hello crafty friend, this is Toth and welcome to the Save the Crafty YouTuber video hub. This video hub is organized by Justin Wavy and it's about card making video tutorials created by a group of talented crafters of all different styles and levels. We are coming together to give our viewers a chance to discover other amazing card makers. All you have to do is watch, like the video, consider subscribing and click the link in the video description to hop to the next video. Let yourself be inspired and don't forget to comment because we have tons of prizes to give away. Please indicate if you are located in the US or international so that prizes can be awarded appropriately as some prizes have restrictions on them. You can find more details about the hub and prizes in the description box. On my channel I will give away a $20 gift certificate to Scrapbook Pal online store. And now let's see how I made this cute and easy lawnfawn shaker card. I am starting the card making process with ink blending on a green cardstock with peacock feathers distress oxide ink. Then I continue the blending process with shaded lilac distress oxide ink on a die cut. As you can see, my images are pre-stamped and fussy cut. This is because when I have time, I am doing multiple stampings and I am saving the leftovers, so when I need them, I just color them. This saves me a lot of time. Now I can jump to coloring. Because it's hard to hold these tiny images, I am going to adorn them to purple tape by Thermoweb. Next I started the coloring and I am going to use my Copic Markers. I started with yellow-green and green markers. If you go through the coloring twice, you will get better results. If you want to skip the coloring process, jump to the indicated time. After the coloring, I added highlights with Copic Opaque White Paint and Signo Uniball White Pen. Next I stamped the Thinking of You Wavy saying sentiment with watermarking and made heat embossing on a violet die cut. The next step was to put together my card, so I chose a pattern paper from Really Rainbow and Spiffy Speckles paper packs. I used the Stitch Scalloped rectangle flames and the Park Shadow Books add-on dies from lawnfawn. You can also find the used supplies in the description box. While I am putting together my card, I want to mention again that there are more than 50 prizes throughout the hop. So if you want to win or you like my inspiration, feel free to comment on my video. You need to leave a comment by the 5th of June. Prizes will be announced on the 10th of June on Justin's channel and blog. You can find her links in the video description. In your comment you should mention that you are from the US or that you are an international. You do not have to comment on every video in the hop, but the more you comment, the more chances you have to win a prize. And finally, my lawnfawn shaker card is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to share it with your crafty friends or on your Instagram stories. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you are subscribed, ring the bell to don't miss any new tutorials. Thanks again, have a nice day, I wish you good luck and see you soon. Bye!